Hello everyone, I am Sandeep from Career Launcher. Today we'll be talking in terms of institutes other than IIMS. Some great institutes that everyone looks forward to through CAT majorly. Like these institutes that we'll be talking in terms of if students are getting anything between 96 97 percentile plus can very well look forward to joining these institutes, and these institutes have been in our country for a long time, highly recognized amongst the industry with great academicians and doing a fantastic job for the students. So let's begin our journey. So the first on our list is Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. Management Development Institute, Gurgaon, we see now all the data that I have collated in this sheet has been taken from various institute websites. You can go back and verify the data in case you wish to do the same from the institute websites itself. So if we look at MDI, the average batch size for MDI is around 359 students with for the major flagship program, that is the postgraduate program in management, around 240 students, another 60 for their HRM program and international management program. So anyone interested specifically with HR or the international management programs can also look to MDI and their programs. MDI was established in the year 1973. The fees for the college is around 22 lakhs, and the average salary also offered by the college is around 22 lakhs per annum. If we look something further, so it encourages a whole lot of students from freshers to people with work experience. Almost 36% of the batch size happens to be freshers. Now, if we look at the work people with a variety of work experience, so 24% of the students are there in the marketing, e-commerce, and domains and other domains. Now, MDI is good across all kinds of programs that we are talking in terms of whether we're talking in terms of finance, marketing, or human resources or general management programs. CAT cutoff, definitely 98.5 plus. Moving down to SPJN, the best thing about SPJN, it is a profile-based institute. The calling is profile-based. Even if you have an 85 percentile plus and you wish to study at an SPJN, is it possible? Yes, you just need to have a good profile. A good profile means having wonderful marks across class 10th, 12th, and graduation, plus being good at extracurricular activities. What you see good with the SPJN is this the fees. The fees is 19 lakhs per annum, with the average salary coming down to 26 lakhs per annum. So that is something that is great with SPJN. Plus, it also asks students to choose their specialization before joining the college. So if a student wishes to study, whether the student wishes to study marketing, whether the student wishes to study finance, or whether the student wishes to study operations, okay, the students, before he or she goes for the interview, they are being asked for their choices, and during the interview process, they are asked questions as to why the particular specialization that they are looking at. Now, NITI is a college, National Institute of Industrial Engineering. Again, a great college. It intakes students via the GATES course as well as through CAT. There are two programs that the intake is via CAT, that is the postgraduate program in industrial management, and the other in sustainability management. A total batch strength of 414 students. NITI is one of the centers of excellence as recognized by the government of India. If we look at the salaries on offer, it is the average salary goes to around 20 to 22 lakhs per annum. Again, the CAT cutoff or CAT percentiles required is around 98 plus. Another very good college for those looking towards a specialization in operations management, the Shailesh Mehta School of Management under IIT Bombay. It happens to be one of the best operations management colleges in the country, specifically only for engineers as of now. If we see the batch split of so computer science and IT graduates form 21%, and the rest is other branches of engineering. A small batch size of 108 students was established in the year 1995. The average salaries, if we are looking at, somewhere around 22 lakhs per annum for a fees of 10 lakhs. That is something that is an excellent ROI in terms of ROI if we are looking at. Another similar college, IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi recently started inducting non-engineering students, though the number of non-engineering students, if we look at this chart here, BBA BCom students 12%, rest of them are engineers only. Again, IIT Delhi is a very, very good college. The Department of Management Studies has done excellent jobs in placing the students and in imparting quality education to the students. If we look at the batch size, 110 students, the fees 9.6 lakhs, the CTC on offer, average CTC on offer is 18.5 lakhs per annum. IMT Ghaziabad, again, a very good college to look into. Its marketing specialization is the most sought after program by a lot of graduates who wish to do well in the marketing domain, with some of the finest professors in the country teaching at IMT. We have almost 73% of the students in the marketing specialization at IMT. IMT also runs a dual country program, that is the Dubai campus. Now, when we talk in terms of the fees, the IMT India fees is around 19 lakhs per annum, 19.5 lakhs per annum. It turns around to 29 to 30 lakhs per annum. Now, one problem with MDI, because of its huge batch size, becomes the average CTC on offer. It is around 12 lakhs per annum. The total number of students at MDI, at IMT would be around 550 students, along with combining the dual country program students. The next and possibly one of the finest colleges in the list comes as the Faculty of Management Studies, New Delhi. It is rated amongst, if we are looking at colleges A, B, C, L, XL, FMS. That has always been the order. Now, FMS has been one of the most sought after colleges by the students. One reason being in Delhi, an excellent college with great pedagogy, great faculties, and industry exposure. In addition to that, when we see other institutes charging in lakhs as fees, FMS for a 2 years program would just end up paying 22 to 23,000 rupees. So you start earning from day one of the program. So the notifications are still on for these colleges. Many of the colleges, the last date for the notification is 26th of November. Would suggest those of you who are getting mock percentiles in 90 plus percentile range should fill up forms for these colleges, and hopefully I would like to see many of you in some of these colleges. Thank you all of you. Have a nice time. Best of luck. Keep studying well.